Megagametogenesis. Megagametogenesis involves three events: a series of mitosis without cytokinesis, followed by cellularization of the nuclei and cell differentiation. Depending upon the number of microspore nuclei taking part in the development, the female gametophyte of angiosperms may be classified into three types, namely monosporic, bisporic, and tetrasporic. Now, coming to the bisporic type. Here, two functional megaspore nuclei involved in the development of embryo sac, and it was first described in Allium fistulosum by Strasburger, and it is also confirmed in several other species of this genera. It is therefore known as Allium type, and it is 8 nucleate. Coming to this, the bisporic embryo sac are typically 8 nucleate. The megaspore mother cell divides to form two dyad cells, out of which the upper is much smaller and soon degenerates. The nuclei of the lower divides to form two, and this megaspore with two nuclei enter the formation of embryo sac. Here the development of embryo sac only need two further divisions to give rise to 8 nucleate stage. The mitotic division produces two pairs of nuclei at the polar end and one at the cellagel, and the second results in two groups of 4 nuclei lying at opposite poles of the elongated embryo sac. The micropyle differentiates into 3-celled egg apparatus at the upper polar region and 3 cells at the cellagel region and 2 in the middle. Tetrasporic type. All the 4 functional megaspore nuclei involved in the development of embryo sac. It was first described in Fritillaria species, and it is hence known as Fritillaria type. It is also known as nuclear type. The megaspore mother cell undergoes its first division to form 2 nucleate stage without the formation of cell wall, and at the end of second division of megaspore is a 4 nucleate condition. Next, there is a 1+3 arrangement of the megaspore nuclei, so that 3 cellagel nuclei come to lie very close to each other. During the next stage, the micropylar nucleus divide normally, but the 3 cellagel spindle fuse to form a single common spindle, so that the close of the division there are 2 haploid nuclei at the micropylar end and 2 triploid nuclei at the cellagel end. One more division occurs, resulting in 8 nuclei, out of which 4 cellagel nuclei are triploid and 4 micropylar are haploid. The mature embryo sac therefore consists of 3 haploid cells, that is the egg and 2 synergids, 3 triploid cells, the antipodals, and a tetraploid secondary nucleus formed by the fusion of 2 polar nuclei, one haploid, the other triploid. This summary is the development of embryo sac or female gametophyte from haploid functional megaspore situated inside the nucleus of the ovule. The female gametophyte of an angiosperm can be classified into 3 types, namely monosporic, bisporic, and tetrasporic. Monosporic, here only one functional megaspore nuclei involved in development of the embryo, and it is also known as polygonum type. Bisporic, 2 functional megaspore nuclei are involved in development of embryo sac. It is also called as Allium type, and it is 8 nucleate and 7-celled embryo sac. All the 4 functional megaspore nuclei involved in development of embryo sac, and it is known as the fritillary type, and it is also called as nuclear fusion type. Thank you.